Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's talk about AITX here. I've been slowly accumulating $1,000 worth of shares here and there, like not every day, but every here and there, and working towards that 10K position. So, just start adding between 0026 and 0028 is what I'm thinking. I don't know what the bid and ask is at. I haven't checked today, and I'm not interested in buying today, especially with the market dropping. I was like, you know what, let's just sit back. Maybe we'll see AITX drop with the market in terms of it coming down possibly to 0019, 0021, somewhere around there, maybe. If it doesn't happen, that's fine. But one thing I want to know is last time before this huge 500% run, it did come down to 0019, 002, 0021 before that huge pump. So, we'll see if it does come down that low. But in the meantime, it's a buy. If I was an analyst, I'd give it a buy rating and, buy and accumulate rating. I don't know, whatever. Price target, if you want the ridiculous price target, $1, right? But realistically, just aim for 100% gains, whatever that may be. So if you buy here 0026, 27, 28, aim for 0056. For your 100%, be content with 100% and smile all the way to the bank. Now, the PR for today is AITX unleashes Rad Dog LE2, redefining robotic support for law enforcement. Faster, more agile, and built for high-stakes operations. What I care about is how many of these are going to be put out there. What are the numbers? That's what the numbers... What is this? Enhanced view of this graphic. Oh, it's on wheels. Interesting. But does it have weapons? Is it capable of subduing? I imagine that's what's next, right? If it doesn't already have some kind of a way to subdue humans. It is not just an upgrade, but a breakthrough. Unlike other quadruped robot dogs. Okay, so yeah, it moves with a unique wheeled propulsion system. So yeah, it doesn't have... So right now we're in the stage where you send in the robots to scout the area out without any risk of, without risking the officer's life, which is cool. That's great. That's great. We don't want no officer going into some house and then getting shot dead. That's happened, unfortunately. Instead, you send in the robot, and what are you gonna do? Shoot the robot, I guess. Ooh, that's the funny thing is you can kill the robot, quote unquote, kill the robot, destroy the robot, shoot at it all you want. It doesn't matter. It's not it's not a real life, right? It's not actual life. It can get replaced. Kind of like how we're going to be replaced by the machines in the future. That's really why all these companies are investing. Because we're literally replacing real dogs. I want you to think about that. We're literally replacing real dogs now. This is just a start. Then it's us. So, funny how we're getting a nice little look into the future here. Let me look at the video real quick. Oh, wait. Oh, what? Really? That's... Wow. Okay, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting it to be able to climb up and down like that. Okay, that is insane mobility. I was not ready for that. I thought the mobility was going to be... I was not expecting that kind of mobility. Wow. I'm shocked. I thought it would have a hard time going upstairs or downstairs. I honestly didn't think we were that advanced. Huh. Really? Let me look at that again. That's crazy. No way. So if I run up the stairs, it's still slow moving. But it doesn't matter. You just don't want to send a living human being up there anyways to get shot potentially and be killed. In Minecraft. Rad Dog LE2 is built for real-world law enforcement challenges, giving officers the ability to assess dangerous situations from safe distance. Yep. Yeah, it's maneuverability. I was not expecting that. I'm a little shocked. I didn't know they could I wasn't expecting that. This is, huh. All right, I'm gonna buy another 1,000 tomorrow. It's too bad that it's in the OTC. Like stuff, PRs like this, maybe in the higher exchange would have moved it, but well, it's down here in the OTC. It just kind of just doesn't go anywhere, unfortunately. Yeah, so this just talks about what I was already saying. So, Rad Dog LE2 is engineered for rapid deployment. I'm assuming the next step is to be able to have that robot dog be able to subdue the criminal. I'm trying to pick my words here. Subdue the threat, not potential threat, the threat on its own. I don't know how, but you know, I'm no engineer. I'm sure they'll figure it out. I imagine they would want to use some kind of something that's not going to kill, because you don't want no robot dog going around with a weapon. I guess you could have a robot dog with pepper spray on it, like just fumigate the people. Maybe throw a flashbang. I don't know. I'm just throwing things out there. But I imagine that's what would be next, maybe. I don't know what the legality of all that would be, to have a machine just be able to take people out. But yeah. But I see that in the future. That's kind of how that's where we're headed. This high-speed robotic platform can reach up to speeds of 12 miles per hour. Yeah, you'll be able to outrun it for like 12 seconds before you're winded and it just catches up to you anyways. And it's fully operational within 90 seconds of deployment. $90? Huh. Okay, this is interesting, and this is an important date. Rad Dog LE2 is set to make a high. Okay, this is why we read these PRs. I know some of you rag on me, saying all he does is read off the PRs, but I'm telling you right now, there's a reason why I've been telling you to buy. Number one, we got a date here. Rad Dog LE2, high profile. That's a keyword. High profile appearance at Tech Day at the Capitol on March 5th. We don't care that it's Florida. What we care about is high profile March 5th. That's coming up soon. And I'm already in, so maybe I'll load 2K. I'll try to load 2K tomorrow. The event connects industry leaders, government officials, and law enforcement agencies, offering the perfect setting to showcase Rad Dog LE2. You know what's funny is, as I'm reading this, I'm like, all it would take is one government contract or something, and this thing, this penny stock, despite the bloated share structure, it'll explode. That's really what it would take to go to penny and beyond, is a huge government contract or something, in my opinion. Because we've seen already, there's plenty of stocks right now. BBAI and a bunch of other ones have gotten government contracts, and they just skyrocket. So if anyone's wondering what would cause AITX to go to a penny and beyond, there you go. Government contract. A big one, by the way, not those little ones. Not like a 2.5 million contract. Like a huge one. Okay, we got another date here. Rad Dog LE2 will also be on display at ISC West in Las Vegas from March 31st to April 4th. And there you go. That's it. So I told you guys last year, like, this is going to be an even bigger year. We should technically get more pumps. It wouldn't surprise me if we get a pump next week. Would it be? Would it be next week? Yeah, it would be next week, and then again towards the end of, or the beginning of April, end of month of March. And if we don't get a pump on the 5th of this coming month, then cool. I get to load up the full 10K position for April March run. I believe we will get a run soon. Most people don't have patience though, but if you've been around long enough, you know I'm all about the patience and discipline buying at the bottom. Let's continue this 100% win rate. and let's make our money.